Rawhide bones, beef hide, and other edible chews trigger hunger in dogs. So before we get into the pros and cons of giving your dog a rawhide or a beef hide bone, please make sure that anytime you give your dog such chews and bones, you not only monitor your dog, but you also provide them with healthy, wholesome foods to eat right after, along with fresh, clean water to drink. Rawhide is a very common item given to dogs for chewing. It is made from the skin from buffalo, deer, elk, or cattle, from which most rawhide originates. It is prepared by removing all fur, meat, and fat, and then they're pressed into chewable dog treats of different shapes and sizes. Beef hide is premium rawhide. To make them more appealing for dogs, some rawhide treats contain artificial flavorings of beef, chicken, or liver, along with chemical preservatives and some with carcinogen food colorings. Pros. Number 1. As a natural instinct, dogs are drawn to chew on things. Rawhide and beefhide bones provide a solution to their chewing instinct. Chewing reduces anxiety and stress, as well as alleviates boredom. 2. Chewing on rawhide or beefhide bones can help reduce plaque and tartar buildup on dogs' teeth. Cons. Here are some important things to consider before you give your dog a rawhide bone. Number 1. It is possible that rawhide can cause a dog to get bacteria or toxic chemical contamination. If your dog tends to have a sensitive stomach or allergies, you may want to choose a different type of a chew toy. 2. Rawhide bones can pose a choking and blockage risk to a dog. In fact, this is a much bigger risk than contamination or digestive irritation. If your dog swallows large pieces of rawhide, the rawhide can get stuck in the esophagus or other parts of the digestive tract. Number 3. If a dog chews on a rawhide for long periods of time, they can get digestive irritation, diarrhea, bleeding gums, or jaw soreness. Therefore, limit your dog's rawhide chewing to short segments of time, maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Number 4. Rawhide can swell up to 4 times its original size in your dog's stomach, risking the formation of life-threatening blockages. Number 5. Rawhide chews can cause acute pancreatitis, which can vary from mild gastrointestinal upset to collapse and death. Number 6. Poor quality rawhides have been reported to break dogs' teeth, causing them severe pain and expensive vet bills for the owner. Number 7. Artificially flavored rawhide treats and bones may cause digestive issues, including vomiting, diarrhea, and allergic reactions for dogs with allergies and sensitivities. Cons are a lot more than pros. If you still want to buy a chewy bone for your dog, then instead of rawhide, go for premium American beef hide. Beef hide chews and sticks that are made in the USA, as they are considered a better choice of premium bones and chews. I have the link below in the description box for premium American beef hide made in the USA. Size. When you buy chew toys and bones for your dog, make sure that they are appropriately sized for your specific dog's breed, size, and chewing style. Don't give a small dog a 10-pound huge bone, and don't give a big dog a 2-inch bone. Otherwise, they will just swallow a 2-inch bone whole. Again, beef hide bone and edible chews trigger hunger in dogs. Therefore, make sure that anytime you give your dog a beef hide bone, you must monitor your dog and provide them with healthy, wholesome food to eat right after, along with fresh, clean water to drink. If you found this video valuable, remember to hit that like button below, share it with your friends who own a dog, Comment below with any tips you may have or suggestions, or simply share your experiences that you may have had with your dog's health condition, so that the community of dog owners who watch this video can benefit from the information. If you are new here, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to read your comments, and I'll see you soon.